Kani's method. So far we have discussed about the moment distribution method. Now we will study the Kani's method. This method was developed by Gaspar Kani of Germany in the year 1947. This was developed by Dr. Gaspar Kani, one of the researcher from Germany in the year 1947. It offers an iterative scheme for applying the slope deflection method. As compared to the moment distribution method, it is simpler and less time consuming. This method is also known as rotational contribution method. The slope deflection method and moment distribution method are clumsy and they consume more time, but here it consumes lesser time. Here the Kani's equation is given by, you have studied the slope deflection equation. From the slope deflection equation, Mij, where m is the moment, Ij is the span, that equals mfij, fixed end moment due to the load in span Ij, plus 2ei by L inside the bracket 2 theta I plus theta j, where ei is the flexural rigidity, L is the length of the span Ij, 2 theta I, slope of the near end I, plus the slope of the far end j. Here we can replace small mij by 2ekij theta I. Then we will get mij, the final moment in span Ij, equals fixed end moment at in span Ij plus 2mij plus mji, where small mij is nothing but the near end rotational moment, plus mji, 1 times small mji, that is the far end rotational moment. That is, by this equation we will get the final moment in any span Ij. The final moments are calculated using this equation. Here in this method, the following are the terms which we can use while solving the problem. That is, first one is rotational factor. We have to calculate the rotational factor. In moment distribution method, we have calculated the distribution factor. Here, this method is also known as rotational contribution method. Hence, we have to calculate the rotational factor. The rotational factor U is given by minus half into K divided by summation K, where K is the relative stiffness value that we have calculated in moment distribution method. Here the distribution factor in moment distribution method that we have studied, that is K divided by summation K at any joint. That is, at any joint, if you want the distribution factor for the members meeting at that joint, that one equals K divided by summation K. Then the relative stiffness value is given by K equals I by L. K equals I by L, where I is the moment of inertia, L is the length of that span. Then the final moments are given by M equals MF, that is fixed end moment, plus 2 times the rotational moment of the near end plus 1 times the rotational moment at the far end, that is m dash ba. Here, by using this equation, we can calculate the final moments in any span, where mf is the fixed end moment, m dash ab is the near end rotational moment, m dash ba is the far end rotational moment. If there is any sinking of the support, if in the problem, if there is any sinking and rotation of the support, here you have to consider the additional fixed end moments due to the sinking of the support, again by the slope deflection equation, that is 2 ei by l into minus 3 delta by l, that one becomes minus 6 ei delta by l square. The additional moment due to the rotation of the support, if the supports are rotated either in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, then you have to consider the additional moments due to the rotation of the support. The far near end, that is again by the slope deflection equation, 2 ei by l into 2 theta, that is 2 into 2 4 ei theta by l. If the rotation is clockwise, then that is positive. If the rotation is anti-clockwise, then that is negative. Similarly, the additional moment due to rotation of the far end, additional moment due to the rotation of the support, that one is 2 ei theta by l. For near end, that is 4 ei theta by l. For far end, that is 2 ei theta by l. The sign convention for the rotation is clockwise positive and anti-clockwise negative. We will discuss in the next video.